Hello and welcome to Back Paddock. Today we're going to look very briefly at how SoilMate handles plant tissue samples. So I've already created my order, which is the same as any other sample type. And if I jump into lab results, I can see the raw results, or I can see the status report for those samples. So I've got two samples here. If I click on the little PDF sign to the left-hand side of the sample, I see just the raw results. And this is available as a PDF that you can email, export or print direct. If I jump out of this one quickly and click on the status icon, so the test tubes to the right of the PDF version, it's also going to load the status for those results. So looking at this one here for my cotton plant that I've sampled, so I've got some leaves and I've tested that for all of these results here. I've got what's been tested, I've got my result here in this first column, and then I've got the sufficiency range off to the far right. And what it's done here with this bar graph is plot out where my results fit in amongst that sufficiency range. So I can see here that my phosphorus at 0.3 is just within that sufficiency range. My total N result of 1.8 here is quite low in comparison to the 3.5 to 4.5 sufficiency range. So this just tells us that that plant, for example, this cotton plant, does not have sufficient nitrogen to continue for optimal yield in this season. So I hope you've enjoyed this. You can also create recommendations for that plant tissue and use some of our system comments in there to have a look. So let me just open this very quickly and show you in our evaluation page. So like I said, quite similar to a soil sample, but if I wanted to look at that total N, for example, and look at some of the system comments off to the right-hand side, I can see the suggestion here, apply an additional 20 to 50 kilos of N kilos per hectare ASAP. So you can check on any of those sort of insufficient results here. So zinc is also low. I'll see if there's any comments regarding that one, which you can then provide to your grower. Thank you so much and have a great day.